In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link related Jira tickets inside the Atlassian Cloud Editor. If you've ever been writing a feature description, adding notes to a bug, or leaving a comment for your team and needed to point people to another issue, this is a really useful skill to have. Instead of making teammates stop and search manually, you can create clean, clickable references right inside your text. That makes your documentation easier to scan and helps everyone move faster. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your organization's Atlassian site, or sign in through the standard Atlassian login page if needed. Once you're in, head to the project you're working on and open the issue where you want to add the reference. This could be a story, task, or bug report, depending on your workflow. When the issue opens, click into the description field or the comment area. As soon as you do that, the rich text editor becomes active. This is where Jira gives you several easy ways to insert related issue links directly into what you're writing. The fastest method is to type the issue key of the ticket you want to reference. For example, if you already know the key, just enter it normally and then press the spacebar once. Jira will recognize it and convert it into a smart link. Instead of plain text, you'll now see a richer reference that can display useful context like the issue summary and status. It's a quick way to make your notes more informative without extra formatting. If you don't remember the exact issue key, there's another option. Type the @ symbol in the editor. A search menu will appear right next to your cursor. From there, start typing words from the issue title you remember. Jira will search matching items and show suggestions in real time. You can move through the results with your arrow keys and press enter to insert the right one. This is especially helpful when you know the topic of the ticket but not its ID. If you prefer using the mouse, you can also use the link tool in the editor toolbar. Click the link icon, then enter an issue key or paste the URL of the related Jira ticket. Confirm the action, and Jira will place the link into your content. Before you finish, take a moment to review what you added. Make sure the linked issue appears correctly and looks clear in the layout. Then click Save to publish your changes. Once saved, your teammates will be able to click or hover over those references and quickly jump to the related work. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.